due to network connection, four dependencies I have configured, and then
that's it. Four dependency. After that, generate, extract, import, NVN clean, install, and update. Only four dependency: Eureka client, web, actuator, and gateway. After that, generate the project, extract it, import it, NVN clean, install, and update it.
It's very failure.
Well, figure out. So, why don't show your NVN clean install? Build a success only. Is it build a success, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Build success.
Yes, sir.
Update your project.
Yes, sir. Build success.
Update your project. Everyone finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go to your main class. Okay.
So 1 minute, it's updating, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Finish now.
Finished, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open your main class. And here I want to indicate this is one of a microservice client actually. How will you be indicating?
Enable Eureka
@enable Eureka client, or even I can do @enable discovery client. @enable Eureka client. Anything you can do, no problem. Okay, now I have indicated this application is a client application. But how this application knows that my server is running in a port number called?
By giving the
Application.properties file. So first we'll change the port number of this application. So give server.port is equal to 4444. Server.port is equal to 4444. And give you your application name. Spring.application.name is equal to account-gateway. Account-gateway. And next we are giving Eureka.client.service URL.default zone is equal to, and I'm just indicating that Eureka is running in a port number called as your 11111 port number. A little bit reduce your font size, Vaibhav, so that others can type. Okay. So first we are changing the port number as 4444. Next we are defining your Spring application name as your accounts-gateway, because this application name only is going to register on your
Eureka dashboard.
And here we are indicating that my Eureka is running in a port number called as your 1111 port number. Finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, as I already told before, this application is going to act like what?
Gateway application.
Gateway application of what? What is gateway application?
Entry point.
Application actually. Okay, it will be acting like an entry point of your application actually. So whenever if I try to run localhost colon 4444 now, it has to call which application? It has to call
Accounts gateway.
no ma. If I try to call localhost colon 44 now, it has to call which application? It has to call
Web application.
web. What is the name of your web application? Is
Accounts gateway. Web client.
Web client application, because this is your entry point of your application. But if I try to run this application, now this application has to call which application?
Account
Web
client.
client application. We discussed no. So first, till now, till yesterday's session, okay, till yesterday's session, totally we created 3 microservices. We have started all the 3 microservices, and we have executed which application?
Web client.
Web client application. And today we are studying a concept called as your account. Yeah, sorry, we are studying a concept called as your API gateway. What is API gateway now? It is always an entry point for all the microservices. So end user directly should not access all the microservices. They have to access only through your.
API gateway.
So now I created an application and an account gateway which is running in a port number called 4444. But if I try to run localhost colon 4444 now, it has to call which application? It has to call web client application. Yes, it has to call your web client application. It has to be called actually. So the end user thinks that the port number of your web client application is what?
444.
But actually, what is the port number of your web client application?
333.
Because we are hiding all the microservices from the end user. So this API gateway will be always as an entry point for your application actually. So whenever if I try to run localhost colon 4444 now, it has to start which application? It has to execute which application? Web client application. Okay, it has to execute web client application. So for that purpose, we have to configure one class. We have to configure actually. Okay. So everyone, right click your main package. Right click the com.pack.account gateway package. Right click your com.pack.account gateway package. New class with package.config. Why your screen is not sharing at all? It is still in application.properties file only. Others can. Okay, now it's okay. Now okay. Open your Eclipse. Again, it is still in application.properties file only. Okay. And with package name is .config and your class name is Spring Cloud Config. 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 Create it. Finish. Okay. So we created a class called as your Spring Cloud Config class. Now copy the code from the chat window and paste it fully. Copy the code from the chat window, paste it fully. Delete that one. Delete the class completely and paste it. No, leave the package part. Leave the package part. Delete. Now format it. Import it and format it. Import it and format it. History is showing error.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because the district's name is wrong.
What district's name is wrong?
No, I thought that's why ISP.
So do we need to provide a dependency for restricts?
Yes. Okay. Just guys, 1 minute. Go to your pom.xml file. Go to your pom.xml file. Go to your pom.xml file. I forgot to add the dependency for restricts. So copy this dependency from the chat window, paste it, nvn clean install and update your project. Copy the dependency from the chat window, paste it, and give nvn clean install and update your project. Copy the dependency, paste it, format it, and give nvn clean install and update your project.
Sir, it is showing some error.
Okay. Everyone go to your pom.xml after pasting. Just go to your pom.xml after pasting. Go top. Change the version as 2.3.10.release. Change the version as 2.3.10.release. 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 It's wrong. Vaibhav, it is 2.3.10.release. 2.3.10.release. Release in capital letter.
Now also showing error, sir.
Just go to your Spring Cloud config. Everyone just go to your Spring Cloud config. Comment that bean part fully. Comment that bean part fully. At bean till the curly braces. Comment it. Comment it. After commenting, just save it and just give nvn clean install and update your project. After commenting, save it. Once your build is done, just give nvn clean install and update your project.
It shows up error, sir. The command file.
nvn clean install, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen. Go to your pom.xml. You Control A, Control X, Control B, save it. Hey, 1 minute. I think I made a mistake. No, wait. I think I made a mistake. Okay, click OK. Okay. You just click that red color icon near that building. Now click it. No, go to the top and close it. Guys, 1 minute. Everyone go to your pom.xml file. In your pom.xml file, in the properties tagler Spring Cloud version, we have given no, that is 2020.21.0.2. Remove it. So remove the value alone, 2021.0.2, remove the value alone and give it as Hoxton, H capital letter, Hoxton, 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 Hoxton dot SR capital letter, SR capital letter, 10, number 1010. Now save it and NVN clean install.
Sir, it's showing still error.
Wait, just save it. Now go to the console and give NVN clean install, Vishnu.
Hoxton.10.
Hoxton dot SR10, SR capital letter, Hoxton dot SR10, SR capital,
SR10.
10, SR10. After that, save it, give npm clean install, then update your project.
Sir, it is showing error in dependency, sir.
It's okay, just save it and give npm clean install. After updating, only the error will be going. So just save it, npm clean install, and update your project.
Sir, build failure.
Wait. I don't think so. The build will be failed. Is there any reason for the build failure? What it was saying? No, wait, Vishnu. Test only, no problem. Test failure, no problem, just update your project. Test failure means there is no problem, just update your project.
Same sir, test and failure, build failure, sir.
Test failure, no problem, just update your project. Now the error went up.
Yes, sir, form.xml, there is no error right now.
No error. Okay, wait, let it update it. Wait.
Sir, after ambient clean also I'm getting error in form.xml file, sir.
Update it. NVN clean install, then update it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, errors are, all the errors are done.
All the errors went up. Now you uncommented the code, Harish. Uncommented. No, the error went up. All the error went up.
Yes, sir.
Others also do it fast. So the build will be failure, no problem. After build failure, right click your project, update your project, then only all the errors will be going. After updating the project, go to your Spring Cloud config, uncomment the code and check it. You should not get any errors. After build failure, update your project. Once you update your project, now form.xml errors and all will be going. After updating, go to your Spring Cloud config program, uncomment all the code and check. There should not be any errors. Everyone finished now?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Wait, it's updating, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, parent tag it is showing error, sir. Yes. In form.xml.
Sir, is this failure is okay?
Success.
We will stick to load application.
Sir, in parent tag it is showing error, sir. In form.xml.
Hitachni, just open your browser, Hitachni. Open your browser.
Yes, sir.
Just type gitlab.com. Gitlab.com. Lab.com. Okay. Open your form.xml. Come down. Once again, update your project. Or give Control A, Control X, Control V. Control A, Control X, Control V. Control. I think now it's went.
Yes, sir. But closed.
Okay. Once again, update your project.
Yes, sir. Now we're going, sir.
Okay. Now go to your main class, the config program. Go to your config program. Format it. Format it. What is this? Have you copied properly and pasted? Copy the code properly and paste it, Hitachni.
Sir?
Huh?
Still I'm getting error in form.xml file, sir. In line number 1.
The cross mark is coming up.
Yes, sir.
Just give Control A, Control X, Control V. Wrong, Hitachni. Delete everything and paste it, Hitachni. No, format it. Format it. Now the error went up.
Yes, sir.
Vishnu, share your screen, Vishnu.
Yes, sir. Still I'm getting, sir.
No problem. No problem. Guys, even if you're getting that cross mark is coming now, go to window. In the top, go to window. Show view. Show view. Other. Problem. Type problem. Type it there. Problems. Select the problems. So in the download it will be coming. So select, right click that error. Select all, delete it. Right click that error. Select all. Again, right click and delete. Now check. Is it coming any error? No error.
Can I unblock this, sir?
Yeah, uncomment. Format it. Now the error went.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, everyone, the error went up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I already told before, this gateway application
you,
is going to act like an entry point of your application. So whenever we give localhost colon 4444 now, it has to access which application it has to access?
Account web client.
Account web client application. How it will be knowing it has to access your account web client application now? For that purpose only we created one bean program I created. So we created a class I created which is called as your Spring Cloud Config class, and go to your Spring Cloud Config class, and that is annotated by what annotation?
Direct configuration.
Yeah.
Again, I got error, sir. It's showing error in.
No problem. That error you can leave it. Share your screen. You can leave that problem. See that error. The error should not be coming in your programs. It should not be coming in form.xml. Also in the parent that dependency it should not be coming in the top left. That error comes now. Again, what you have to do? Now only I told you what you have to do.
Window.
Vishnu, now only I told you how to delete the error.
Window.
It's already there in the download. It's already problem is there. You can right click and delete it. So the error should not be coming in your programs. It should not be coming or in the parent tag or in the dependency tag. If error comes now, it will be a problem actually. In the starting line it comes, it doesn't have any problem. If that still it was occurs now, again go to problem and delete it. So go to your Spring Cloud config program, and we have to indicate that particular program with the help of an annotation called @. Before that class, what annotation we have provided? Separate configuration. Anyone share your screen? Anyone share your screen? So we have provided an annotation called configuration. And how I can able to route all the information now? For that purpose, we have to configure a bean. We have to configure, and what bean we have configured? We have configured a bean called as your root locator. Okay, root locator. And before that, I provided an annotation called as your bean actually. Now I'm returning builder.root r.path. So after backslash localhost colon 4444 after backslash if I try to give anything, because your path what we have given class ***. So after localhost colon 444 slash after slash if I try to give anything now, then I'm going to and going to which page I'm going to go. I'm going to forward to a URI called as which URI?
HTTP://localhost
localhost colon
333.
application. So whenever if I try to run localhost colon 4444 slash, after slash if I try to give anything now, then it is going to redirect to an application called as your localhost colon 3333. And from localhost colon 3333, where it will be accessing?
2222. That is
2222. That is your account consumer application. It will be accessing. And at the time of accessing, consider my 2222 application is not started. You're shutting. You're terminating your account consumer application. Okay. In that case, and what happened? You'll be getting a white label error page. You'll be getting. Instead of getting a white label error page, I want to perform what mechanism? I want to perform
fallback mechanism.
fallback mechanism. So for that purpose, before line what we have given filters, how I'm going to perform fallback mechanism with the help of a framework called as
Hystrix
Hystrix framework. In the Hystrix framework, in case if my accounts-web application is down now, I'm going to call a fallback method with a request called a slash
consumer.
consumer. We are going to forward to a request called as what request we are forwarding?
Consumer.
Consumer request. Okay, we are forwarding a request called as your consumer request. So now I want to create a request called what request I want to create it slash
Create
consumer. Okay, consumer. Yeah. Now right click your package form.pack.account gateway. Create a new class with package called .controller. With package called .controller. And your class name what we can give fallback controller. Fallback controller. Give the class name as fallback controller. Fallback controller. No V. Fallback controller. With the .controller package and the class name is fallback controller. Finish. So how you indicate it is a controller with the help of an annotation called rest controller. Rest controller. Rest controller. And now define a method. Public string get fallback. Public string get fallback. Public string get fallback. G small. Public string get fallback. And return. Your application is down. Your application is down. You can give some fallback message I can give. Your application is down. Your application is down, or it was taking too long to respond, or it's taking too long to respond. Taking too long to respond. Come on, please try again. Please try again. Try again. Okay. Now before this particular method, what annotation we have to give it?
Get mapping.
Get mapping. And what is the request we have to give?
Slash consumer.
Slash consumer. So give an annotation called get mapping value is equal to slash consumer. Get mapping value is equal to slash consumer. Value equal to slash consumer. Finish that, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now one time go to your Spring Cloud config. One time go to your Spring Cloud config. So as I already told before, and whenever you're going to run localhost colon 4444 now, this application is going to act like an entry point of your application. So after 4444, if I give slash, and after slash, if I try to give anything now, we are going to redirect it to a URL called as your localhost colon 3333 actually. And from 3333, it will communicate with my 22. And in case at the time of communication, if any of the microservices is down or some problem occur in the microservices now, then we are going to perform a fallback mechanism. How we are going to perform a fallback mechanism? Filters in the Hystrix. So if there is any problem in your accounts-web now, in that cases, it is going to perform a fallback method, and it will be forward to a request called as your slash
Consumer.
It will forward to a request called as your slash consumer. Now it will go to the slash consumer, and what it will be printing? It was taking too much time to respond. Please try again, like that. It will be printing. Here are guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1 minute. Go to your account web client application.properties file. Account web client application.properties file. Account web client application.properties file. What is your application name you are provided?
Account web client.
Account web client. Now copy this name and go to your Spring Cloud config program. So c.set name. Oh no problem. It is just a name. Okay, no problem. Okay, so everything is done. So now everyone start all the 4 application. First start your producer, consumer, web client, cloud gateway. Okay, start all the 4 application. Then run your Eureka dashboard and check whether all the 3 application is registered. So start your producer, consumer, web client, and cloud gateway. Start your producer, consumer, web client, and cloud gateway. After starting all the 4 application, open your Eureka dashboard and check whether all the 3 application has been registered. So start all the 4 application, producer, consumer, web client, as well as your cloud gateway. After starting, start your Eureka dashboard and check whether all the 3 application has been registered.
Hello, sir. Sir, after copying account to the client, that means, sir, after we want to paste anywhere, sir.
No, just leave it. Just leave it. You just start all the 4 application and run your Eureka dashboard and check whether all the 3 application has been registered.
Hello, Harish, can you show the controller?
Fallback controller. Show your fallback controller.
Okay, thank you.
Save it, Harish. Harish, save it. Wait, Harish, 1 minute. Just minimize it. Maximize. Go top. Come down. Come down. Just come down 1 minute. Open your cloud gateway and come down. Okay. What is it? Go to your pom.xml account and gateway pom.xml. Is it showing an error for account gateway?
Yes, sir.
Go up. Go up.
Yes, sir.
Go up. Up. Okay. Expand your account gateway application. Expand your account gateway application. No, your project. Account gateway project. Gateway project.
I found one error.
After we want to give localhost to 4434, sir.
No, is it your account gateway is running?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Others. Just right click your account gateway project, Harish. Build a path. No. Come down to the properties. No. Just go to Windows tab. Go to Windows tab. Close it. Windows tab preference. Java. Expand Java. Compiler. Select a compiler. Change here to 16. Change here to 16. Now apply and close. Yes. Apply and close. Click apply and close. That's okay. Just click apply and close. Okay, now update your project. Update your. Maximize your console once, Harish. You can see one TV like symbol is there with the drop down menu. In this side, after that red color icon, cross mark, double cross mark, is terminated. Okay, it is terminated. Just click the fourth one. Select select the fourth one. No, just select the fourth one. Hello, select the account gateway application. Now click the cross mark. No, select the fourth one. Select your account gateway application. Harish, select your account gateway application. Select, now click the cross mark. Click. Now check how many applications are there. Only 3 applications should be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now start your gateway application.
So here the gateway application is running, but getting some errors. Still the application is not running.
Refresh it.
One.
Showing banking
Yes,
application.
sir.
What is it, ma?
Refresh it. Banking application showing, sir.
What it was showing?
Banking. Sir,
But in the
accounts are home page.
Okay. Now working, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So for others also is a gateway. Okay. Right click your gateway application, Harish. Right click your gateway application. Right click your gateway project. Right click your gateway project. Build a path. Configure build a path. Select the JRE system library. Double click JRE system library. Double click. Select the workspace default. Third one. Select the workspace. Now finish. Click finish. Apply and close. Now start your application, gateway application. Go to your pom.xml file. Come to Java version. Come down. Make the Java version as 1.8. Now right click your project. Build a path. Configure build a path. Double click that JRE system library. Execution environment. First one. Click the drop down menu. Select Java SE 1.8. Java SE 1.8. Select it. 1.8. Correct, finish, apply and close. Update your project once. Start your project. Once it is updated, start your project. Updating now.
Sir, should I stop only the gateway application and then?
Why? What happened to you? Your application is not registered, huh? Hitashni?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Sir, I'm getting the same error, sir.
Wait. Start your application. Started. Now go to your Eureka dashboard. Go to your Eureka dashboard. So everyone go to your Eureka dashboard, guys. Check whether all the application has been registered. 1 minute, Hitashni. All the application is registered. 3 application it has to be registered. Check all the 3 applications.